Welcome to an exciting exploration in the world of AI. I'm Sarah, and today we're delving into the realm of custom GPTs and the GPT Builder. In this era of personalized technology, the ability to customize AI models like GPT is a game changer. Custom GPTs allow users to tailor language models to fit specific needs and scenarios, offering unparalleled flexibility and efficiency. Meanwhile, GPT Builder tools provide the platform to create these personalized models. In this episode, we'll uncover the potential of custom GPT models and how GPT Builder tools are enabling innovation across various fields. Let's embark on this journey of AI customization and discover the possibilities it unfolds. Custom GPTs are specialized versions of the general GPT model designed to cater to specific requirements. They can be fine-tuned on particular datasets, incorporate unique stylistic language features, or be optimized for distinct tasks such as technical support, creative writing, or even specific regional dialects. These customizations allow for more accurate and relevant responses, making GPT models even more effective. Let's explore how different sectors are leveraging custom GPTs to enhance efficiency, creativity, and engagement, showcasing the versatility and adaptability of these AI models. GPT Builder tools are the backbone of creating custom GPT models. These tools offer a user-friendly interface where individuals can input their unique data, define model parameters, and initiate the training process. The Builder guides users through selecting training data, setting objectives, and tweaking parameters to suit their specific goals. This process democratizes AI development, allowing businesses, researchers, and even hobbyists to create AI models that align with their unique requirements. As we conclude, the potential of custom GPTs and the accessibility of GPT Builder tools mark a significant milestone in the evolution of AI. The ability to personalize AI models opens up a world of possibilities, from enhancing business operations to driving creative projects. The future of AI is not just about more advanced models, but also about models that can be precisely tailored to meet the diverse and evolving needs of users worldwide. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of custom GPTs and the GPT Builder. The journey into personalized AI is just beginning, and the opportunities it presents are as limitless as our imagination. Thank you for exploring the world of custom GPTs and GPT Builder with us. This journey into AI customization shows the exciting direction in which AI technology is headed. As we continue to innovate and personalize AI, the impact on industries, creativity, and everyday life will be profound. Stay engaged with the world of AI and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Until next time, keep exploring and stay inspired by the future of personalized AI. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.